Unit 3. Practice. Sounds. My turn first, then your turn. A apple a. A safe a. E egg e. E jeep e. I itch I. I pine I. O octopus ah. O home O. U up U mule U. U rule oo. CH chin ch. TH thumb SH ship sh. O school oo. O book OU trout ow. OU soup oo. AW saw ah. OI coin oin. Read this phrase. Let's review together. Sweep with a broom. Read this phrase. Let's go over it together. Point to your desk. Read this phrase. Let's review it together. Crawl on the ground. Read this phrase. Let's review it together. Bloom like a rose. Now we're going to write some words. Say foul. Tap foul. Owl. There are 3 sounds in foul. Let's write the word. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Ow. What says ow? OU says ow. Owl. Spell foul. 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 Say boot. Tap boot. Boot. There are 3 sounds in boot. Let's write the letters that say the sounds in boot. B. What says oo? O says oo. T. Spell boot. 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 Say crawl. Tap crawl. Crawl. There are 4 sounds in the word crawl. Let's write the sounds as we let's write the letters as we say the sounds. What says aw? AW says aw. Let's spell crawl. 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 Say oink. Tap oink. Oink. There are 3 sounds in oink. Let's write the sounds. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Oi. What says oi? OI says oi. Oi. Spell oink. 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 Say good. Tap good. Good. There are 3 sounds in good. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. G. What says OO says d. Spell good. 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 Let's start at the top, work our way down, and then back up. First word. Yes. Foul. Word. Yes. Boot. Word. Yes. Crawl. Word. Yes. Oink. Word. Yes. good. Word, 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 word. Okay, let's try some more words. Say meat. Tap meat. Eat. There are 3 sounds in meat. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. E. What says E? E says E. Spell meat. M-E-E-T. Meat. Say shout. Tap shout. Out. There are 3 sounds in shout. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Sh. What says ow? O-U. Sh. Out. Spell shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. Say lawn. Tap lawn. Lawn. There are 3 sounds in the word lawn. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. L. What says aw? Yes, A-W. Lawn. Spell lawn. L-A-W-N. Lawn. Say spoil. Tap spoil. Spoil. There are 4 sounds in spoil. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Oi. Yep, O-I. Spoil. Spell spoil. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil. Say keep. Tap keep. Keep. There are 3 sounds in keep. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. We're going to use the K for the K sound because when we're deciding between a C or a K, if E is the vowel, we're going to use a K at the beginning. K, E. What says E? E says E. Keep. Spell keep. K-E-E-P. Now we're going to read the words from top to bottom and then back up again. Word. Yes, meat. Word. Yes, shout. Word. Yes, lawn. Word. Yes, spoil. Word. Yes, keep. Word. 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 Word.